One stronger protection for your personal data and device, Google has added a new advanced protection feature that brings extra layers of security to your Galaxy, and it's already available in One UI 8.0 on Android 16. This update focuses on privacy and security, and turning on advanced protection helps safeguard your phone from unauthorized access or harmful activities. Here's how to activate it on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. To do so, go to Settings, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Settings icon. Scroll down the screen to find Google. Tap Google. Next, tap All Services. Scroll down to the Personal and Device Safety section. Then tap Advanced Protection. Scroll down the screen. Now, turn on Device Protection. A pop-up will appear with an explanation of the feature. Tap Turn On to continue. And that's it. You have now activated Google's Advanced Protection on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. It's a small step that adds a powerful layer of security. It's another great addition in One UI 8.0 and Android 16. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.